Stop hunting!
Alright, we're scrapping out these two cars. This one's got a bad transmission, this one's got a bad motor. We're gonna try to start this one and pull that one up. I mean, I say bad transmission, but it'll still move a little bit. Looking how it started. Alright, so we're gonna pull this one up, load this one on the trailer, and then I'm gonna drive this one, where Jeff is, back to his house with a bad transmission. So that'll go well. We've screwed around and got this hooked together somehow. Now he's gonna try to back around and pull me out of here, but our straps are tenuous at best. I bet they don't hold. So far, so good. Jeff has a real look of fear on his face. Just put her down there, Jeff. We're doing great. Oh, a little bit of a creak. It's a shame because that blue one there runs really good, although now it's smoking. Wonder if that has anything to do with pulling this. Well, this thing isn't running as great as we thought it was. And Jeff says the brakes suck. I've checked, that is indeed true. That's some lobulator shaft bearing or something making that noise if you can hear it. Ooh, she's shaky. I'm gonna stay in front of Jeff. Temperature's good. I thought maybe she was got a little bit of a head gas issue, but wait for Jeff to pull around here with our other junk Corolla. Gotta cut the cats off of those this weekend, take them to the scrapyard. He wants me to go ahead front. But he said don't drive fast. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to. And he wants to take the gravel the whole way, of course. So far, so good. We got, I don't know, 3 to 5 miles to go. Setting at 25 right now. Jeff back there. So, I don't know if I filmed this whole thing or not, but this is the gravel way back to Jeff's. Oh, there's no brakes in this thing. Oh, wow. Take her easy when I pull up to the stop sign here at the end of this road. We always know the turn to this road because there's a bunch of square body Chevys sitting in the guy's yard right across the street from it. We don't know the name of the street, just the square body turn. But I'm sure you're enjoying me rambling. What have we got, 35 now? Oh man, this is loud. Stop sign. Probably should start trying to stop. Alright, kind of getting her stopped. I guess I could throw it neutral or whatever. And now this Peach Orchard Road here is going to become the busiest street in the whole county as I try to limp this thing home. Guarantee that. Oh, it's getting rough. Concerning that the noise stops here and there. Oh man, we're still going though. We're more than halfway there, I'd say. Oh man, she's rough. Oh, cut out there before we cross the major highway. Can I make it before this guy? Going for it. Alright, now we'll be rolling into Montrose. I'm really gonna have to take it easy on her. We're gonna drop down to 25, which the speed limit's dropping to 25 here pretty soon anyway. Because man, it's getting pretty rough. But I think we have a 99% chance of making it. Jeff doesn't rear end me here. Damn. Yeah, we're in Montrose now. Oh. I'll tell you what, man. After the day I've had, I can't hardly walk. I need to get the chiropractor. This was some fun, at least. Oh, man. Yeah. We got it home. Oh, still no brakes. There's the Dodge down there. If you like that little adventure, like and subscribe. I'm up to 151 subs now, so I'd like to keep that going and rolling towards 200. So like, subscribe, and share this video.